Chiropractic, and today we're finishing up care with Jessie here after having a car accident. Jessie, what was going on with you when you first came in?
So a few days after the accident, my neck was stiffening, my right arm would go numb, my shoulders hurt, I couldn't lift anything at all, which made work impossible. And so I had to come here in order to actually be able to function for anything, really.
So we did some x-rays with Jessie, we did an examination, went through, found out what was going on with her, also found that she had lost a cervical curve in her neck, and what we did is we went through a treatment plan in order to get that curvature back in her neck. She went from about 8 degrees all the way to about 20 degrees in her neck, so we had great improvement there. She definitely put her time in of coming to the office and getting work done, but it definitely paid off in the end. Today is Jessie's last overarching day as far as like intense acute care, but we'll just maintain Jessie as she goes on the rest of her life. But we're just happy that you trusted us to take care of you, that you're feeling much better, and we just wanted to share your story. So how are you feeling now?
I'm actually able to stand up straight. My neck doesn't hurt after reading or looking at my phone. I can work and do things without anything going numb at all. And it just feels better when you're standing upright. You just feel a bit taller around all your tall friends. It's great.
So we're happy that we could help you. And if you have any questions at all, or you have been in a car accident, or have soreness in your neck or low back, or any of those symptoms or issues that could be going on, please give us a call. My name is Dr. Jenny at Pro Chiropractic. Thanks again, Jessie, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.